Welcome to the Ease Pose YouTube channel, and let's begin this gentle Surya Namaskar, or sun salutation. This flowing sequence is a wonderful way to energize your body and calm your mind. We'll guide you through each step, making it perfect for beginners. Begin in Pranamasana, standing tall with your feet together and hands in prayer position at your heart center. Inhale and gently raise your arms overhead, bending slightly backward into Hasta Uttanasana. Feel the stretch along your spine. Exhale and bend forward from your hips, bringing your hands towards your feet in Hastasana. If needed, bend your knees slightly. Allow your head to relax. Inhale, step your right leg back and lower your right knee to the mat. Lift your chest and look forward in Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Exhale, bring your left foot back to meet your right and lift your hips into Parvatasana, or downward facing dog. Lengthen your spine and press your heels toward the mat. Inhale, lower your knees, chest, and chin to the mat in Ashtanga Namaskara. Your hips should be slightly lifted. Exhale, slide forward and lift your chest into Bhujangasana, or Cobra pose. Gently arch your back and look forward. Be gentle with your lower back. Inhale, lift your hips back into Parvatasana, or downward facing dog. Lengthen your spine and press your heels toward the mat. Exhale. Step your right foot forward between your hands and lower your left knee to the mat in Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Lift your chest and look forward. Inhale. Bring your left foot forward to meet your right in Hastasana. Exhale. Raise your arms overhead into Hasta Uttanasana. Inhale. Return to Pranamasana. Take a moment to feel the energy flowing through your body. Thank you for practicing with us. If you enjoyed this flow, please subscribe for more yoga routines.